Mom to Mom, we're making mini banana cream pies. My kids definitely go bananas for anything banana, especially for banana cream pies. That's when I came across these mini banana cream pies that I knew they would love. They're simple to make and delicious. So all you're gonna need for this delicious treat is a muffin pan, some cupcake holders, some bananas, banana pudding, vanilla wafers, and of course, Cool Whip. Now's the fun part. Let's start making it. We're gonna go ahead and prep our pudding based off the instructions on the box. Then we're gonna take our banana and slice it up into small pieces. Then you're gonna take your vanilla wafers and place them into your muffin pan. You can do as many as you like. I usually do 2 or 3. Then you put in your bananas on top of the vanilla wafers. Now the fun part, you get to stick the pudding on top of all that. Once you have your pudding on there, then you'll stick it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours to get it nice and cool. Once it's finished, then you can put your Cool Whip on top, and then voila, you have your mini banana cream pudding. If you happen to have a little extra vanilla wafers left over, crumble it and put it right on top of that Cool Whip and then serve it up. Hopefully moms, your kids will enjoy this as much as my kids do. And if you have any suggestions, we'd love to hear about it. You can share it on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.